Hello everyone, very good afternoon. Here we are going to introduce one of our model spray gun. This is TLGF spray gun which comes with 600 ml nylon cup which we can mount at the top of the spray gun like this. So this is the complete set of the spray gun. In this spray gun we have SS tip and needle set which is at this position of the spray gun. This is SS 304, the needle and the nozzle of the spray gun. There are 3 adjustment valves that we have in Trio TLGF spray gun. This knob is for pattern setting of the spray gun, fluid pattern. This knob is for air control valve which controls the air to the spray gun, and this knob is for fluid setting from where we can adjust the fluid of the spray gun. Here is the connection of 1x4 for the air. Here we give the connection of the compressed air to the spray gun, and this is the trigger of the spray gun from where we can operate the spray gun. Now we come to the nozzle to the spray gun. This is the retaining ring. This is the retaining ring and this is the air cap of the spray gun. This is 1.8 mm nozzle setup. We have different nozzle setup of 1.1 mm, 1.4 mm, 1.8 mm, 2 mm, 2.5 mm. See, these spray guns, there is no much maintenance in this spray gun. Just you have to clean the spray gun after the painting. You have to open this retaining ring. You have to clean this air cap by the thinner, recommended thinner. You have to clean this nozzle, and time to time you have to give grease or oils to these points here. Due to while the painting, what happens that some paint can deposit here and on these knobs. For the proper functioning of these parts, you have to give oiling or grease to these points, so that your gun can run smoothly. So just after painting you have to open this retaining ring and you have to clean these air caps, these holes, through the recommended thinner. Now we are going to take the trial of the spray gun. Now we are going to take the trial of the spray gun. In this spray gun we can get 2 types of pattern, flat pattern and round pattern. This is a knob from where we can adjust that flat pattern and round pattern. Now we will spray the spray gun and will check both the pattern. Now we are going to adjust the pattern of the spray gun. So now we have adjusted the spray gun for round pattern. Now we will control the air and fluid of the spray gun. This is the air control valve from where we can adjust the air of the gun, and from here we can adjust the paint or fluid.